Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your gift card with Fandango. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fandango.com and press enter. Now once you're on this homepage, simply sign in to your account by clicking on the top right corner which says sign in/join. If you already have logged into your account, you will see the account option instead. Once you are inside the login portal, simply enter your credentials to log into your account, and after you log in from the home page, click on the gift card option at the top left corner. This will then take you into the gift card menu. Now from the gift card menu, in order to redeem your gift card, simply click on the redeem button and this will take you into the gift card redeem menu. Here you will find the guide into redeeming your gift card, and you will simply need to enter the card number followed by your PIN. After entering both of these details, simply click on the redeem button and this will begin with the process of redeeming your gift card. Once you have redeemed your gift card, you will find your gift card within the gift card menu. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to redeem your gift card on Fandango. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.